In today's video, I'm going to show you lazy filmmakers how to use our latest free preset download thing, the Glitch Transition Pack. Cue the exciting music. So the one thing I really love about making these free presets and downloads for you is the huge amount of comments and thank yous that we receive in the comments. Not really, that's why you're here, because you're all lazy. Really, I like it because rather than having to go through the huge process of showing you how to do something, I can just make the thing and then show you how to use the thing that will do the thing for you. That sounded a lot clearer in my head. Anyway, today's one is a really good one. You can see it now. It is the glitch transition effect. So to kick off, you will of course have to have already downloaded the preset. If you haven't, the link's below. So pause this video, head to our website, download the preset, making sure that whilst you're doing that, you subscribe to our channel and the mailing list for maximum in-gaff spam. Now that you've downloaded it, you'll have a folder with the preset file inside of it and a sound effects folder. Yeah, that's right. I'm so generous, I've even made 5 glitch sound effects to match your preset transitions. If that isn't worth a thumbs up, well, nothing is. Over in Premiere Pro, drop that sound effects folder into your project bin. You'll want these later. Next, you'll need to import the presets. That's simple, just head over to the effects bin, right-click Import Preset, and find your new shiny in-gaff preset. Now, because I'm not just generous but also kind, I've labelled these to tell you how long each transition is. Look here, 9 frames, 6 frames, 7 frames. This is important as these presets are anchored to the clip's in point. This means you need to drag and drop them onto the second of the 2 clips you're transitioning between, as the glitch will happen at the start of the clip. Now that's all well and good, but let's look at taking this effect up a notch and adding a little bit more spice to it. You've got 2 clips that you're making a transition between. Overlap the second clip on video layer 2 to be on top of clip 1 by the same value as your transition. For example, transition 5 is 7 frames long, so overlap the second clip by 7 frames. This creates a look of the 2 clips glitching into each other, which is really cool. The final stage of polish is to add those sound effects that I've made for you. They're labelled for each transition, so let's find sound effects number 5 and place it to snap at the start of this transition. That's it, pretty sweet. You now have a drag and drop glitch transition pack that was totally free, all in exchange for your personal data, which I'm now going to sell to Cambridge Analytica. If you enjoyed this video and the free preset, please be sure to let us know by liking or commenting on the video. Our lives are validated by your anonymous approval. And to further tempt you back, we'll be making one of these roughly every week, so be sure to stick around for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.